Hello everyone, welcome to BDSK online classes. Myself Sanjay Verma. Dear students, in my last video, I have taught you about chemical property of halogens, in which the electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, in electrophilic substitution reaction, I have taught you the nitration, sulfonation and halogenation. Today in this video, I am going to teach you Friedel-Crafts reaction, which is the part of electrophilic substitution reaction of halogens. Okay, dear students, Friedel-Crafts reaction is following two types. Okay, number one, Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Number two, Friedel-Crafts acylation. Okay, number one, Friedel-Crafts acylation, alkylation. Okay, Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Okay, dear students, when halogens, that is chlorobenzene, undergo reaction with alkyl halide, that is methyl chloride, in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, that is Lewis acid, formation of 1 chloro 2 methyl benzene and 1 chloro 4 methyl benzene takes place. Okay, 1 chlorobenzene 1 chloro 2 methyl benzene is minor in quantity, while 1 chloro 4 methyl benzene is major in quantity, because I already told you that the ortho and para positions are more stable than meta. Okay, so you can see here, when chlorobenzene undergo reaction with alkyl halide, in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, anhydrous AlCl3, formation of formation of 1 chloro 2 methyl benzene and 1 chloro 4 methyl benzene takes place. Okay, this is major, this is minor. Okay, dear students, you can simply see that when chlorobenzene, that is aryl halide, undergo reaction with methyl chloride, that is alkyl halide, in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, formation of 1 chloro 2 methyl benzene, that is minor, and 1 chloro 4 methyl benzene, that is major, takes place. Okay, dear students, this is the 1 chloro 2 1-chloro 2-methyl benzene. Okay, and this is the one chloro 4-methyl benzene. Okay, so you can simply find out 1-chloro 2-methyl benzene and 1-chloro 4-methyl benzene by the reaction of Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Okay, dear students, next is Friedel-Crafts acylation. Friedel-Crafts acylation. Okay, dear students, when halorine, that is chlorobenzene, undergo reaction with acyl chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, formation of 1-chloroacetophenone, 2-chloroacetophenone and 4-chloroacetophenone takes place. Okay, you can see that this is the chlorobenzene, this is the chlorobenzene that undergo reaction with acyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 and form two chloroacetophenone and four chloroacetophenone. Okay, this is a 2-chloro acetophenone. Okay, and is minor. This is a 4-chloro acetophenone. This is a major. Okay, so students, you can simply see that this is a Friedel-Crafts acylation In this reaction, the halogens, that is chlorobenzene, undergo reaction with acyl chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride and form 2-chloroastophenone and 4-chloroastophenone takes place. Okay, this is a minor in quantity and this is a major in quantity. Okay, so I hope that all of you understood about Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acylation. Dear students, in Friedel-Crafts alkylation, chlorobenzene react with alkyl halide, and in Friedel-Crafts acylation, chlorobenzene react with acyl chloride. Okay, this is the important reaction for your board exam. So all of you please note down this reaction in your fair copy and learn properly. Thank you. Have a nice day.